Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to give you a price prediction for the end of this 2024-2025 bull market with one of the most discussed coins in circulation, which is Ton coin. Why Ton coin is one of the most, I would say, famous cryptocurrency right now, and is it right now a buying opportunity? Is it going to go to zero? Is it going to crash? Or do you think this is the right time to buy and then it could go higher? I'm going to answer to you to all these questions. So subscribe to the channel, hit the like notification button because we are going to drop so many of these videos about altcoins every single day. Guys, straight away I want to show you what happened with the Ton coin, one of the best coin in the cryptocurrency market. Bang! From $6.85, it dropped in like 15 minutes down to roughly $5. And the reason being is because the founder of Telegram, Pavel Durov, was arrested because of his Telegram. So he was accused of pedophilia, of terrorist sharing information on Telegram, and because all of that has been arrested, and because Ton is the coin, the crypto coin of Telegram, of course, all the investors are very scared, so they took all the money away. And of course, today we're going to be discussing: is this an opportunity or no? Straight away, I'm going to tell you, in my opinion, guys, I'm going to go on the chart of Ton coin so we can see, where we are. In my opinion, guys, this is going to be a very good opportunity to load up Ton coins, and I'm going to explain to you why in 1 second. But of course, guys, the thing that you can do right now with Ton is that there is lots of volatility, which means that the price can swing 50%, 30% even within a day. So if you are a skilled trader, if you know how to pretty much take advantage of these swings, you can make tons of money. I'm going to show you what we did in our VIP group, guys, which was incredible. Have we got like a new trading results over here, but I'm going to show you from a little bit higher. So we saw the news, coming up with Ton, and we went short into the market, and you can see over here 260%. Then we went along again 70%. So because we know all the exact point when we see like a crypto coin is overbought or oversold. So if you want to really be part of this community of professional trader guys, we are killing this market. Just only today, guys, look at the results. The best. Thank you so much to you, my friend. So we are really smashing this market and making money every single day. If you want to join, guys, link in the description below. Anyway, let's talk about Ton right now, and we can see a price prediction for 2024-25. As you can see, guys, we got completely smashed with Ton, and you can see that pretty much the price kept going to the downside. And some people are asking me, Andrea, is that the right time to buy Ton? Should I stay away from it, guys? In my opinion, Ton, it could go a little bit lower than right now, but I'm going to show you my buy levels, which I think then Ton could actually rebound very, very well. At the moment, I'm here on the weekly chart, and as you can see, we are forming a potential head and shoulder on Ton. And what I would like to see from now is going to be a potential continuation to the downside at the 61.8 retracement of Fibonacci, which is this level over here. And why am I looking at this level over here, guys? First of all, because you can see we are into a potential downward channel with Ton from here. And the perfect intersection is going to be roughly around this area over here. So once you're going to be able to touch the intersection of this one and this one, once you're going to touch this level on here at the intersection of the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement at 4.31, that's going to be, in my opinion, a very good opportunity that we could buy the dip with Ton. And the reason being is because although the founder of Telegram might be going to jail, might be being accused of whatever, is going to get paid a lot, like a big fine, we could be seeing one last flash where market makers are going to purposely try to push down Ton, but for the long term, similar to what happened to Terra Luna, to all of them, then the price should recover. So at the moment, this is my level of interest. And what I could be seeing from there could be either a potential rebound from that area from 431 to roughly over here at this upper bound of the channel, and then one more push down to this area over here at the 78.6 Fibonacci 3.2, or, and then we could be seeing something like that, or we could be seeing a direct movement to the upside in the next upcoming months. And of course, people are asking me what is going to be the price target for ton USDT. Guys, I don't like to give you crazy analysis where I'm going to just shield to you. I'm going to tell you ton is going to go to $20,000 million. I'm going to give you a very conservative analysis that, in my opinion, I believe is going to happen. So usually what I like to see into altcoins, especially with the high market cap, is to have a look at the usually Fibonacci extension. You can see that the first level of Fibonacci extension, the 1.618, is sitting right now at 9.862. Second one is 11, and then we got 13. So I would say that ton, in my opinion, in 2025 could have a potential to go from this level over here to this level over here, which is going to be like a 3 or 4x from here. I mean, if you're not happy with that, sorry, but I'm sorry to disappoint you. But in my opinion, that's a great risk to reward. And of course, we can also have a look at higher levels, 24.19. But of course, you could definitely go as high as this one if you're going to have a full-blown all season. But to be conservative, I like to be utilizing more these areas over here. So in between $9 to $10 is going to be my target for probably now until Q1 2025. We can also have a look at a little bit short term, what we could be expecting right now, because of course the storm still has not passed. We still have to wait a little bit longer because we need to see what's going to be happening with the founder of Telegram. He's going to go to jail. He's going to go and so at the moment, as I explained to you before, I can see basically connected these 2 points over here, and then utilizing our Fibonacci retracement, we can see that's a very interesting level that we could see ton to go down to. Could be around this area over here. So I'm really looking at in between this area here of the Fibonacci 61.8 to even 78.6. I will be very happy, to be honest, if we're going to see a continuation to the downside, maybe from here down to here. That would be, in my opinion, an incredible level for like a risk to reward. So if we're going to be able to go around the $3.32, that's going to be incredible, and I'm expecting a big bounce from there. So I would say from a trader point of view, that's what I would like to see. I would really would like to see a, a big, dump around this area over here. But I'll probably be a buyer once we're going to approach this area over here. I'm going to go and highlight the box for you so you understand where I'm coming from. So in between 4.3 and 3.3, so that's going to be the area where I will be interested in load up my ton USDT, because in the worst case scenario, I'm going to show you what can happen. And again, guys, you need to, if you really want to understand and trade these markets properly, you need to, it doesn't matter where you are, doesn't matter if you come in with me or you're gonna go and join another group, it doesn't matter, but you have to be surrounded by professional traders who do this as a profession, so they know exactly how to utilize statistics and mathematics and really give you the highest probability of a rebound. So from here, guys, what I'm expecting will be that ton, if it's going to go around this area, my next move is going to be roughly this, to try to go back up to this area. And then from here, what we could be see could be a potential continuation to the upside or another bump down to here and then up again. So remember that even if you're going to go and enter this position over here, and then it's going to go and pump all to this area, guys, even from here to here is already like a 60-70%, right? So that's going to be a very good gain, especially if you're playing, if you're trading, with like maybe low leverage or even in spot. So remember that it's always important to trade level by level and don't get yourself influenced too much by news and something like that, because remember that so many times news, they come out only to deceive you and to make you scared. So at the moment, guys, ton, I'm expecting still more downside, bullish, to be honest. I think we're going to see more continuation, and then we're going to go from there. I want to also show you what I think about this, all season. People are asking about when all season is going to start, and ton, of course, is going to pump alongside altcoins. And you can see that right now we are still into what we call a disbelief phase. Disbelief phase is pretty much once we finish depression, anger from here. So disbelief, this one is a sucker rally. Probably we're going to continue, and maybe we're going to bottom around here. If Bitcoin goes down to $44,000, $45,000, we could actually drop around this area over here, and then I'm expecting a full-blown explosion to the upside and potentially reaching even an all-time high within the altcoin space. But of course, has to be all confirmed if we're going to see a pump from here, or we're going to see one more dip coming to the downside. Of course, I'm very, very battle at the moment. It's very difficult to say which is which and what you can do to actually help yourself. That's like a little trick, very, very small trick, is to pretty much draw a line over here and see if you're going to be able to break that line which I showed you right now. From here, then we could be seeing more continuation to the downside. This one looks almost like a bull flag. A bull flag is like, you got a pole, and then you have a retracement down to here, and then you just draw this one over here. So that could be one potential scenario that could occur very, very soon when the alt season start. But otherwise, guys, if you're gonna go and drop even more, we can have a look at that and draw again a Fibonacci retracement. You can see that we touch right now the golden pocket at 61.8%. We could be seeing one more drop down to this area over here at 78.6 or 75. Some people utilize 75, but I guess, after this, what could be happening, in my opinion, we're going to see maybe this, and then finally an explosion to the upside. So very excited what's going to be happening with the altcoins at the moment. So many coins that got a great risk to reward. And of course, if you want to understand and know the one which are the best, you can come and join our VIP group, guys. Altcoin analysis every single day in much more detail than what you saw right now with Tom, but we discuss anything you want. So please join us because you will not regret it. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope it was helpful to clarify a little bit your mood, if it's good to sell ton, if it's good to hold it. In my opinion, guys, we should be seeing more downside, maybe down to in between $3 to $4. But if that happens, I'm going to load up my bags like there is no tomorrow, and then of course I'm going to wait until our season starts, make some money out of it, and then sell when the time is right. And if you want to know when the time is right, guys, you can come to our VIP group. Guys, thank you so much. You have a great day, and I'm going to see you tomorrow for another video.